Hello guys, you're all welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to be talking about a free tool that we can use to remove image background from our pictures. But before we go straight into that, if today is your first time of visiting our YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and also like our videos. So let's go right into that. So the first thing I'm going to do is we are going to download an app called Erase BG. Erase BG, this is the app. Erase BG. So BG meaning background. So when we download this erase.bg, we open the app. Okay, the app is opening. Now this is how the app looks like. It's a free app. Now the next thing you have to do is either you paste the link, that is the URL, the link of the image, or you upload the picture. But it's best you upload the image. And one beautiful thing about this erase.bg is that it does not reduce the quality of your picture. It maintains the quality. So let's upload a picture and see how it works. Go to our file. Okay, let's use this picture. It's loading. It will automatically remove the background of the picture. When you scroll up, you see automatically, just like that, it will remove the background of the picture. The next thing you have to do is you have to click on download image size. Download image size. Now let's click on that. Then after clicking on that, let's go straight to our gallery. So this is our gallery and this is the image. Automatically the background of the image has been removed. Now you can use this image for your graphic design. You can use it to work for your clients. You can use this app to remove any background of any picture, no matter how the picture is, and save it directly to your device without it affecting the quality of your picture. So that is it, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like our YouTube videos. Thank you.